Hello people, welcome to Sensibility. For those who don't know, I have a passion for fragrance and I have a fear of speaking in public, and I find it trouble to speak what's on my mind sometimes, so I use my love of fragrances to try explain how they make me feel and what I smell. I guess it's all learning. We're all learning. What I like, you might not like. But today we have a new house. As I said in my last video, I got this sample from Olifant in one of the orders that I did, and I haven't actually heard of this house before, but it is Olfattology. This is an Italian fragrance house, the science of sensations, and this is my sample, but I loved it so much I bought a bottle. This is Olifant. This is one of the best boozy specific fragrances that I've smelt. This really reminds me of a rum or whiskey barrel. When they char the edges on the inside, it has that kind of smokiness to it, bit of sweetness, bit of fruit, but it's very realistic when it comes to the booziness on there. There's rum, cognac. I'll give you all the real notes down the bottom. And this is an unboxing because I loved it so much. I got this one for Olifant as well with my first visit. So it's a nice paper quality box. Opens up. Oh, there's a leaflet. And look at that. It's a good looking bottle. Nice weighty glass. It's a light metal lid. Sounds metal. I think this one's a straight de parfum, because this is like the special edition. I'll have to go over it. Yeah, a straight de parfum. The other ones that they have are eau de parfums. I guess this gives you the little rundown of the brand and the house itself in Italian and English. It has all their fragrances in there and runs through them all. Olifant, a perfume with a precious and refined character. A strong woody scent collides with earthy and light incense accord. Olifant is the affirmation of fertility, a reminder of the savannah at the sunsets, where the notes of cognac and leather highlight the unique olfactory path. So this has top notes of cognac, fresh fruit, smoke, heart of birch, incense, leather, gaiac wood, dry down of vetiver, and amber notes. And this is an amazing fragrance. I'm wearing it today. I really like this one. As I said, the best boozy fragrance. A small but wide atomizer. From the top you get that raw booziness, like straight from a whiskey or rum cask, out of the barrel, straight up. It's like a raw whiskey note. Then it has this kind of leathery smokiness that sits in a halo, and when it starts to dry down and settle, you get these softly sweet and fruity notes that pop through. But yeah, if you have ever smelt a proper whiskey rum barrel that's been stored in, you smell the wood. Some of them char the edges to give a certain amount. This one specifically reminds me of Jameson Black Barrel, where they're known to char the inside of the barrel before they put the whiskey in. But it's amazing. It's so memory realistic of what I remember in the fragrance. Very cool. Very cool. It's so good. And the smoke isn't over the top. Like the incense and the birch and everything, and the smoker cord isn't like campfire or anything like that. It's just a very warming, relaxing, beautiful winter fragrance. And who knows, if you wear this out to a club, they might not let you in because you smell like booze. Who knows? That's Olifant by Olfattology. If you've had this brand or you like any of them, let me know. Great price range as well. I think around the $200 mark for 100 mils of a straight to parfum. Awesome. Let me know what fragrances you love, boozy or not, and I'll see you next time.